When European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen was visiting Turkey along with her associates and fellow top EU officials, little did she expect her seat or the lack of it to make headlines. During her visit to Ankara on Wednesday, Ursula von der Leyen and other top officials of the EU were meeting Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan when the Turkey leader and her EU colleague walked into the room along with her and took the only two chairs available. This left Ursula von der Leyen in an awkward position, standing in the middle and looking surprised that there were only two chairs available in the room for the meeting and the two men had already occupied them. Ursula von der Leyen kept standing as European Council President Michel and Turkish President Erdogan took the seats at the meeting. She was later accommodated on a sofa in the room. In a video doing the rounds on social media, Ursula von der Leyen, the only woman leader in the room, can be heard sighing in disbelief while gesturing with her hand at the awkward turn of events. The European Commission President was left lingering in the middle of the room for a brief period before the seating arrangement could be figured out. The President of the Commission was clearly surprised, EU executive spokesman said. He also added that the President should have been seated in exactly the same manner as the President of the European Council and the Turkish President. While the European Commission has not stopped short of voicing its leader's irritation at the seating faux pas, Turkey has refrained from a direct comment. Meanwhile, a video of the incident has created a storm on Twitter, with users across Europe trending the hashtag #GiveHerASeat. Sharing the video, a European Parliament member wrote, is the new term for that's not how EU-Turkey relationship should be. Another user wrote, doesn't matter if the third chair omission was sexist, political or an honest mistake. It's still a missed opportunity for EU co-president to do the right thing. Yet another user wrote, as much as the situation is annoying, Charles Michel's attitude so not to make matters worse by causing a public scene is too.
French. French.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.